Got him.
Good morning, guys. It is 4:38 in the a.m. to be exact, and we're gonna go duck and goose hunt in a field. And today I'm riding solo by myself because everybody's out of town. It's a lonely old life for me, but not really. It'll be a lot of fun. We saw a lot of birds yesterday. That was that last video that I posted. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. It's me scouting, and you'll see what I'm going to be getting into today. Yeah, I'm going to load up some decoys, get my coffee cup filled up, and hopefully be on the road here pretty shortly. I bought 10 more Bigfoot decoys over Christmas, so now I've got 22 full bodies. Moving along, but I'm gonna get this loaded up and get packed up and hit the road. So I'm at the field now, and I've got all the decoys in the back and everything fit again, which is great. But I got a little bit of a walk to walk these decoys in. It's kind of muddy, so I mean, I try not to drive through fields when I don't have permission to do that, and it's muddy, so like the truck would get stuck and it'd just be a big hot mess. So I'm just gonna walk everything in and set up. It's gonna be a west-northwest wind, and it's gonna be about 4 miles an hour this morning, and it's gonna pick up to about 10 this afternoon, about noon. So gotta get everything all set up. I've got my blind all set up, so it's a pretty good hide, honestly. So now I'm gonna start working on decoys. Let me show you my blind real quick. You guys probably want to see that. So this is a pretty good hide, honestly. Got some ruts. We're laying in the ruts, and then got some grass to the side of us, and kind of broke up the outline. So if you guys are interested in getting a layout blind, I highly do not recommend getting a hardcore man cave layout blind. It's one, really expensive, and two, like 30 pounds and a pain in the butt to freaking walk into places. And it's kind of difficult to set up. I recommend maybe like a ground force blind or some sleeping bag style. I mean, I do not like this blind. I've got about 5 minutes until shooting light. I'm gonna go out here and turn the mojo on. There's ducks flying right now. So things look pretty good. Decoys are set. Mojo on. So here's the decoy spread. We got a bunch of feeders sitting right here. Mojo, pocket, more feeders, bunch of shells. So now I just gotta sit here and wait, get in the blind, load the gun, and be shooting some birds. So just got my first duck. It was almost textbook. Now they're all going out to feed, but I had a hard time picking out drakes and hens. There's a widgeon right in the middle of the spread, but I'm in awe every time. Mallard drake, let's go.
Two mallards, bro.
So, just had a group work me forever. I had a bunch of them laying down there. I walked out, scared them up, and they came right back to me. Shot a mallard drake and a mallard hen. There's a pintail in the group. I was just kind of waiting for him to come low enough to shoot. Honestly, I could have shot a lot sooner than I did, but it's just learning how to field hunt, learning when to shoot, you know. Since there's only one of me, you know, it's not crucial to get like a lot of them down. I can just get like 3 or 4 and I'm good to go, but learning.
Oh, double. Knocked him stone dead. Two birds, one shell. Got him.
So I got my limit, guys, and the last 2 birds I shot were 2 mallard drakes. I shot them with 1 shell. 1 mallard drake, 2 mallard drake. So I've never done that before. That's awesome. I mean, I've got nothing better to do today, so I'll stick around and see if I can shoot some honkers. But got a limit of mallards. Only shot 1 hen, so that's good. With the way the sun is, there's a time where it was really hard to see if it was a mallard drake or a mallard hen. I got it done. Sweet. Well, I don't think geese are gonna happen today. It's late in the morning. I don't really want to stay out here all day long because I didn't bring any food. So I'm gonna start picking up decoys and head back to the truck. It's gonna take a few trips. I think it took me like 6 or 7 trips to the truck and back. So take my time doing that and then head on back, clean some ducks. There you go. 1 man, limit of mallards, bro.